Band to the side. We're going with a walking plank, side to side with an up down. So, this is gonna stay out, guys, in our plank position. We're gonna walk out. 1, out, up, down. Walk back. 1, 2, up, down, and back. Ready? We're gonna keep our hands right underneath our shoulders. Let's walk out to our left. Walk, walk, up, down. Walk, walk, up, down. Walk, walk, up, down. Walk, walk, up, down. Watch Mike here. He keeps his back flat and comes up, comes down. Walks back, doesn't move the hips, up and down. Mike, you feel that? Oh yeah. Back up, back down. You've got 2 more. Back up, back down. You've got 1 more. Walk, walk, up, down. And time. Grab a hold of the bands again.